So now here the masala for my chole is ready. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding all the chola in it. Chole, by the way, I call it chola, I don't know why. Yeah, chole and bhindi, just the way I like. थोड़ी सी जल गई है. That's okay. This is bhindi and jalebi हो कोई बात नहीं, मैं तब भी खा लूँगी because it's my favorite. So now many people, you know, so ऐसा हम छोला इसमें पूरा ऐड कर देंगे and just keep my phone down and इसकी you know पानी के लिए जिसमें आपने छोले भिगाए हैं उसी पानी को we'll use it. Let me show you how I do it. This is how it's done. And like I mentioned, today's academic leave. Guru Tegh Bahadur की आज छुट्टी है. And the best part, let me tell you, Sunday कल था and आज Monday. So it's छुट्टी and I'm so happy for that. It's become like long weekend. 2-day long weekend. And my chole is ready. अब हम इसको the water that I've added is वही वाला जिसमें हमने छोले भिगाए थे, which gives a very nice aroma. So yeah, इसको हम थोड़ा सा उबलने देंगे. And last में what you can do, आप थोड़े से छोले, in order to just make your gravy a little thicker, so you're just gonna just press it like this and it gives a nice taste to the chole. So this is how I'm gonna do. इसको रख देते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए. भिंडी is almost ready and rice मैं तब चढ़ाऊँगी when he will be back because अगर आप इसको पहले से रख देते हो चावल को, you know what happens, वो बहुत केक जैसा बन जाता है. So for that matter, when he will be reaching home, उससे 30 minutes, oh no, 30 minutes splash of छोले मसाले से, so 30 minutes पहले मैं अपना वो रख दूँगी, चावल रख दूँगी. And हाँ, one more important thing that I'm gonna tell you, राइस इसको आप पानी में पहले भिगा देते हैं and मैंने इसको भिगा दिया है. इसको हम ड्रेन करेंगे तब तक जब तक ये जो आपको वाइट वाटर है ये जब तक कम्प्लीटली ट्रांसपेरेंट ना हो जाए, मतलब वाटर ना हो जाए एकदम, ये मिल्की वाटर लग रहा है अभी. एंड आफ्टर दैट 30 मिनट्स के लिए इफ़ यू यूजिंग बासमती तो वो और लंबे और खिले खिले से हों. सो फॉर दैट मैटर 30 to 45 मिनट्स के लिए आप अपने चावल को रख दीजिए पहले एंड देन यू पुट इट ऑन द प्रेशर कुकर. सो इट गिव्स दैट लॉन्ग एंड सेपरेटेड चावल के दाने. These days, you all must be hearing a lot about kanji. So it's basically a fermented drink, and you keep it for 2 to 3 days. And after fermentation, I had it. It was super amazing for your gut health. Time for some self care. And then after that, after making the lunch, I thought of sharing a short. Basically what I've heard that YouTube shorts are basically used to attract the audience and to get that reach, because long vlogs सब लोग एकदम से नहीं देखते हैं until unless you have good subscribers. So in order to have good reach, you should always go for the short YouTube vlogs. While doing aura cleansing, I started my hobby as as a person who turned waste into something really cute and useful. So these are the acrylic paints, and I basically choose the lighter ones, the pastel color ones, but मेरे पास बहुत सारे acrylic paints हैं, कुछ pastel shades के हैं, कुछ bright shades के हैं. तो these are the jars जिसमें chocolate mousse और ये सब चीज़ें आती हैं. So for that dry fruits आते हैं दिवाली के बाद. तो दिवाली के बाद after consuming all the dry fruits, I thought of utilizing it and making it really cute, because मेरे reading table के लिए I thought कि एक lavender candle बनाना चाहिए. And for lavender candle I chose lilac color. And here I've made a video how I did it. Very simple. I'm not a professional, तो मुझे जैसा समझ में आया मैंने वैसा उसको paint कर दिया, and it turned out to be really cute. And I used it for my reading table, because focus बढ़ाने के लिए, concentration बढ़ाने के लिए, I tend to keep cute stuff on my study table. So, and with that lavender fragrance, it gives a very aromatic vibe. एंड दिस इज़ द सैंड वैक्स बेसिकली, ये आपको ब्लिंकेट में मिल जाएगा. सो आई हैव यूज सैंड वैक्स. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना होता है आपको, बस सैंड वैक्स आप डाल दीजिए. साथ में यू कैन पुट योर लैवेंडर ऑयल. एंड सैंड वैक्स के साथ ही ये आपको मिलता है, यू नो, दीज यू गेट दीज वैक्स स्टिक्स. एंड ये बहुत सही है, इट्स वेरी इजी टू मेक. इसमें अदरवाइज नॉर्मल आपको वैक्स के लिए यू हैव टू मेल्ट इट एंड देन यू हैव टू ब्लेंड इट और वट एवर इट इज़, बट मोल्ड्स यू गेट, बट आई डोंट डू सो मच हसल. सो फॉर दैट I've simply used just sand wax, जो कि Blinkit में it is available. And then after that, obviously, to get that reach, I made a short vlog also of it. And you know, I would request each and everyone who is watching my this long video, please do subscribe, like, comment and share, because many people, you know, though I am a new YouTuber, and many people, you know, after each and every long video, they do say that please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And मैंने ये ट्रेंड फॉलो नहीं करा पहले. I should have done it, but मेरे को पता नहीं था कि you need to say that, and along with making a content. So I would like to tell everyone, please do like, comment, share my channel, because you know, this is something that I've started and I'm really enjoying it. But if you'll you know, subscribe to my channel, it will give me motivation. One, two, hello. No, shut up. 1 2 3 go. Go नहीं समझ में आ रहा, go समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Let me edit it. Oh, sorry. गलती से हो गया, sorry. Sorry. Like I said that I have made this cute candle. As you can see, ये जितने भी polka dot बने हुए हैं और वहाँ पे जो candle है, this is all homemade. That polka dot में कुछ ना कुछ आया था. I think matcha tea आई थी, something आई थी. So see how beautiful this candle is looking. You know, I loved it so much. And while reading it, gives a very cute little vibe. And also Christmas, you know, is near, and for that, basically, let me tell you, winters are the best season for studying. Usme aap, you just get tucked in your bed, it becomes very warm and cozy. You have a good cup of chai, coffee, or hot chocolate, or green tea, whatever you have, and side mein ek scented candle, so it gives you a lovely vibe. You can read good books, you can study. So I think मेरा winter में ज़्यादा focus बनता है as compared to summer. I don't like summers at all. Winters are cozy, winters are sweet, winters are aromatic, winters are amazing. And after that I had tomato soup, because आज कुछ ज़्यादा heavy खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. So I had tomato soup and studied. Next day I went to college and did some work, but first coffee. Before anything, first and foremost coffee. So yeah, this was my table. Then reached back home after college. It was a hectic day. I was not able to record much. Had this blueberry. These days I'm into new hobby. These are the acrylic paints. I have that pastel color one, and these are the bright colors. So yeah, whenever we go out, you know, I collect all those cooler. I was like, bhaiya ek aur extra de do please, so that I can paint them like this. And वैसे मैं pastel colors use करती हूँ, but today I've used the bright ones. So this is green and yellow, dark green, blue, and इसमें फिर sand wax डाल के I'm gonna put you know, I'm gonna use it as a candle. So yeah, I've done that. And yesterday I made a lavender candle. मैंने पहले कूलर यू नो कलेक्ट करे थे, तो उसमें आई डिड पेस्टल पेंट. नाउ आई एम इनटू ब्राइट पेंट्स एंड ब्राइट कलर्स, एंड दिस इज समथिंग यूनिक. यू नो, इसमें बाहर से इसका जो बैकग्राउंड है, ग्रीन कलर बैकग्राउंड, इसमें बाहर से पेंट ना करके मैंने अंदर पूरा एक बॉटल एक्राइलिक पेंट का डाला है, सो दैट वो बाहर से बहुत पॉलिश्ड फिनिश दे. बट इन दी एंड मैंने पहले सोचा इसको ऐसे कर देती हूँ, बट इट वाज लुकिंग वेरी, यू नो, नॉट लाइक too good actually. It was looking quite plain. तो उसके ऊपर से मैंने black color का, you know, I made a sun, and I think this design looks pretty fine. And इसको देख के लग रहा है कि ये ऐसे मेरे से ही paint हुआ है. So yeah, so these days I'm into, you know, acrylic paints and all. And this was made by my sister. She's a pro. I am, you know, I'm nowhere. So yeah, all that I do. This one is made by me. These two bottles are made by me. You know, these two are my favorites. So yeah, I'm into, you know, these are my this is basically the hobby that you know, I've been following lately. Whenever I feel stressed or whenever I feel loaded, so I come back home, I take out all my paints and I start painting. It really helps. You also must try. It really helps. Please do give it a try. Instead of, you know, throwing all these color, you can bring them back home and you can, you know, utilize them as a candle or something, you know, just for a showpiece as well. So it looks good.